Anthropic just dropped something that genuinely changes what AI can do. And most people are going to miss what actually matters because they're too busy fighting in the comments about which model is better. So let me break this down fast, because there's a window right now that closes in just a couple of weeks. And if you're not paying attention, I'm sorry to say, you're going to miss it. My name's Fred. I've been building businesses using AI since before most people even knew what a language model was. I've made over $5,000 in profit in 48 hours thanks to AI. And I teach people how to make money online with AI doing most of the work. And right now, what Anthropic just released makes everything we do a lot more powerful. So listen up. Okay, so here's the thing. Anthropic just launched two new models at the same time. One is called Claude Fable 5, the other is called Claude Mythos 5. And most people are gonna go, wait, what? I thought Mythos was locked away. And you're right, it mostly still is. Mythos 5 is only going out through something called Project Glasswing, which is basically a restricted program Anthropic is running in collaboration with the US government. I'm talking about cyber defense stuff, infrastructure providers, not you, not me, not the general public. The reason is that Mythos 5 has the strongest cybersecurity capabilities of any AI model in the world. And the same thing that makes it great at defending systems also makes it great at attacking them. So they're keeping that locked down, and that actually makes sense. But Fable 5, that's the one you can actually use. And here's the thing people are glossing over. Fable 5 is described as a Mythos class model, meaning it's built on the same foundation as Mythos. The only real difference is that the cyber safeguards are active, so you're not getting the full raw power of Mythos, but you're still getting a model that sits above Opus in capability, and that's a big deal. Now, here's the part you need to actually pay attention to. Right now, if you're on a Pro Max, Team, or Enterprise plan, Fable 5 is included at no extra cost. It's completely free as a part of your subscription, but that ends on June 22nd, so it's pretty soon. After that, it moves to usage credits, which means you're paying per token. Anthropic has said they want to bring it back to standard plans once they have enough capability, but they haven't said when. Could be weeks, could be longer, nobody actually knows right now. So the window is the next couple of weeks. If you want to go deep with Fable 5 and really understand what it's capable of, now is the time to actually do it. And I'm going to be doing exactly that, so watch this space. On pricing, both Fable 5 and Mythos 5 are priced at $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. That's double what Opus costs. I know. But look, if the model is already much better, and from what I've already seen it is, the economics still makes sense for anyone building real stuff with it. And by the way, if you're watching this and you're thinking, this is great, but I still don't really know how to turn AI into actual income, I made a free course that walks you through the exact system I use. And this isn't a bunch of theory, it's the actual business model step by step so you can copy it. It's made me $5,000 in only 48 hours. AI does the heavy lifting. You build an income stream outside your job. The link is in the description below. And if you want me to look at your specific situation and give you a custom step-by-step roadmap to make money online with AI, you can book a free call with me. Again, all the info is in the description just below this video. Okay, so let's talk about what actually changed with this model, because benchmarks are benchmarks and you can take those with a grain of salt. But there's a few things I'm genuinely excited about. First, knowledge work. The jump in performance on complex analytical tasks is noticeable. For anyone doing research, writing, strategy, content, building course material, this matters. If you're building a course business the way I teach it, your AI is basically your research team, your writer, your strategist. So a better model here makes your whole operation better. Second, vision. Claude models have been getting better and better at understanding images and visual content. Fable 5 takes another step forward there. For anyone building websites, editing content, verifying agentic loops, or creating slide decks, that's a real practical improvement you're going to feel. Third, agentic performance. This is the one that tech people are going nuts about, and honestly for a good reason. These models can work autonomously for longer without needing you to babysit the process. But I'll say this, and I want to be honest with you here. Just because a model can run in an agentic loop for hours doesn't mean you should run it that way for everything. For most business tasks, you don't need a 5-agent loop running all day. What you need is a well-built workflow with a good model at the center. That's it, don't overcomplicate it. Look, here's my honest take on this whole thing. The fact that Fable 5 is described as Mythos class and that Anthropic has been this careful about how they release it tells you something really important. This isn't just a marketing bump. They know what they've built, and the reason they're restricting Mythos specifically is because the capability is genuinely that powerful. For you and me, the practical reality is simple. The AI tools we build businesses on just got meaningfully better. The course content you produce, the scripts you write, the research you do, the systems you build for clients, all of it gets a boost. And if you're not using these tools yet, now really is the time to start paying attention. Because I'm telling you, the people who figure this out early are going to be very far ahead of everyone who just waits. The interesting thing to me is that Opus 4.8 was already really good, like genuinely solid for most things. So if Fable is as much better as the numbers suggest, and if the low effort tier of Fable is roughly equivalent to Opus on extended thinking, then we're basically getting a free upgrade in the quality of work our AI produces. That's hard not to be excited about. Get into Claude Code, update to Fable 5 if you haven't already, and start actually putting it to work. Don't just watch more videos about it. And look, if you're serious about actually building something with AI, not just following the news but turning this stuff into real income, then don't just click to the next video. I built a free course that shows you exactly how I make money with AI. You literally get my AI tool stack. I'm showing you every single tool I'm using, and you can even get free trials for these tools inside the free community. The link for that is in the description below. And if you want me to personally help you with this, to show you how to build a one-person business with AI and digital products, you can also book a call with me. It's completely free. Now, I don't have unlimited spots, so go grab one before they fill up. The links are in the description below, and I will see you inside the free course or on the call.